Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to FX for this Argo Decoded. My name is JD. Let's move on guys with our video series about how to mark POIs. So last time we were here on gold. On this area I was trying to show you guys why gold was buying from here. Why gold was buying from here. We're here, and of course we saw a big zone, and I want to show you how you can do it, how you can reduce the size of your zone by checking what's going on lower time frame. Again, before we move on, I told you whenever you have your institutional zone, let's say a bearish zone, and you see that the retro redistribution forming, you understand that this is gonna be what? This is gonna be your zone. This is gonna be your zone in case market decides to do what? Okay, in case market comes back in this area and then goes higher. So here you have to do it with true understanding behind it, with true understanding of what's going on. Understand that if you have a liquidity level here, then market is having a hard time when trying to do what? When trying to reach here. You see, market is having hard times in reaching this area. So they are doing what? And I'm talking about institutions. They are creating more redistribution, creating a pullback for people to join. They are adding their money here so that they can attract more people, and then they move price down. So they do what? They will come back to cross these orders, and then they will do what? They will move on. They will move on. Hope you understand. Hope you truly understand. So now the secret here is how this movement was formed, how this redistribution was formed. So if you understand that they are pushing price higher from this point all the way to the top, there will be more liquidities resting here, maybe on lower time frame, So in order to achieve this liquidity, in order to hit this liquidity, there will be another small reaccumulation forming here, another small reaccumulation forming here, another small reaccumulation forming here. Let me draw it in a bigger picture so that you understand what I mean. Assume this is a zone. The whole zone here is a redistribution zone. Maybe if you check on our time frame, you can see something like this. You can check my videos about redistribution. You may see something like this. Price doing something like this, and then price drops. So here, if you can remove this line, you understand that the whole zone here is a redistribution. But inside this redistribution, in order for market to do what? To grab all of these liquidities resting here, they created another small reaccumulation. Remember, when we are bullish we say reaccumulation, when we are bearish we say redistribution. So they are creating another small redistribution here. So this is gonna be your refining the POI. You are refining the POI. So you understand. It's gonna be your refining the POI. You understand that market can easily, I will give you examples. Market can easily do what? Break and retest this area, this horizon, but our high probability is here. This is a high probable zone. So you understand? This is it. This is what I want you guys to understand. Inside redistribution, you will find what? Another small reaccumulation. Inside a big reaccumulation, in case you are in a bearish zone like this, you will find what? A small redistribution that was formed there. Hope you understand the concept. Maybe you'll have pictures like me, so I'll have it to do what? To show you some kind of drawings here or on the chart. So we were here on the daily time frame. We're here on the time frame. Right here, Bitcoin. And then you switch to 4 hour. Remember, we are trying to see what was going on here from here all the way down here. What was going on here? What did market use to grab these liquidities? How? So there are some kind of orders here. They have used, they pumped their money to grab this doji and this doji here, all of these liquidities. So here we are on a 15 minute when we are checking, and we are able to see what? 15 minute, I guess a 5 minute. We are able to find what? We are able to find our zone. We are able to find our zone here. This whole zone from the low to the high. So we understand, as long as they break the zone, I mean this zone, this bigger zone, as long as they break it, they will come back to test the zone. As you can see, price test the zone and then went higher, as you can see here. Now, how do we know price will touch here? This is what we are looking for. How do we know a point where market will touch this area? Now, we need to do what? Remember the drawing I'm done showing you. I have shown you something like this. Pull back, a push. Then inside this area, this distribution, we need to find another small reaccumulation that was formed here when the price was going higher. This small area is what we need. So we need to change to another time frame. Let me see if I can find one on 3 minutes or 1 minute, if the chart agrees. If not, we will find sorry, you can see we don't have it. But if you go there, you're going to find it. Okay, let me give you an example. There's a good one on the GBP/USD. The GBP/USD, here we are bullish on GBP/USD. Something I have to remind you when we're dealing with, if you don't know where GBP/USD is going, you can do what? You can use like yearly time frame. to understand. We are at the beginning of the new year. This is the new year, so you can expect that new year candle to go higher. We are done getting liquidity down. We are going to move further to the upside. So this is the open price. If you can change to weekly, let me give you an example. I'm deviating a bit because I want to show you something. This is vertical line, this is the previous year, this is a new year, the current year. Let's check to monthly time frame. You can see what happens when a new year starts. Manipulation to downside, then you go higher, then you close. Manipulation downside, then you go higher. If you switch to weekly, you will see how ABC corrective move was formed. ABC corrective move. You see, ABC corrective move. A flat, ABC corrective move. Inside there, another ABC corrective move. You can see what I was trying to teach you folks. So let's focus on this area. Let's focus on this area, this true zone. So put your vertical line here and your vertical line here. So the distance, the price action we see from one line to another is this bearish candle. From here to this level is this candle. Do you understand? Let's check on daily time frame. As you can see, I told you the price action we see between these two lines is the price action of that bearish candle. So here we are going to find what? We are going to find a zone. So we need to see what market has used to drive price down. Maybe taking liquidity on what time frame? We check on 4 hour. This is the big zone that was broken on 4 hour. On 4 hour, you have what? You have this type of pullback forming, as you can see. Liquidity was taken, the distribution, then price went down, taking more liquidities on this area. So if you want to do refinement, make sure you mark the horizon here. First of all, mark the horizon. After marking the horizon, so you are done seeing what? You are done seeing something like this. So inside this move, this redistribution, do we have any form of reaccumulation that was formed? You have any form of reaccumulation that was formed? Assuming this is the right zone. So here, if you can look closely, you can easily see it. Try to see how price went higher. This area, try to see how price went higher in this area, and then create what? Create another pullback, then went higher, making this another reaccumulation inside the redistribution. So this is where they are putting their money. You have to understand philosophy and the psychology behind it. So this is where they are putting their money to perform what? To achieve this redistribution pattern. So they are here. The zone of concentration, they are here. So what you're gonna do, you mark the horizon from the high to the low, like this. This is where you're going to do what? This is where you're going to find what? This is where you are going to find a reaction for your entry. A reaction for your entry. A reaction for your entry on that area. On that area. A reaction for your entry, as you can see. A reaction for your entry. Market touched the zone, and then that's what went higher, as you can see. Market touched the zone, then that's what it went higher, as you can see. Then, as you can see, we are breaking the structure. Price breaking the structure. Remember, your buy opportunity is here, area for reversal. So in case you didn't catch the move, you can wait for a pullback using what? Using order flow ranges. To understand what I mean, I have talked about ranges. Understand? So this is it. We've talked about ranges. We've talked about validation point. Your job is to keep buying, to keep finding opportunity. If market comes back, you know what to do. If it doesn't, you keep following what is doing here. That is it. So next time, I will talk about this zone. What happens when the market is touching the zone? What happens here when market is touching the zone? So thank you guys. Hope you have understood what I mean. So if you check here, what do you see? If you check here, what do you see? I will teach you a reversal pattern that tends to form in this area. I think I talked about that in the kind of previous video. Don't remember, but you can see when we say track institutions, you have to understand what we mean when it comes to marking true zones. You have to understand what we mean. You have to understand what we mean. So this is it. This is it. Have you seen? Have you seen? So you go and check it yourself. You will see it, especially if you know how to choose zones. And then this time I'll be talking about this area, as I told you. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video to your friend and your family. Then rewatch the video as much as you can. Backtest the concept, and with God, your angels will touch your eyes, and you will see it. You will see it for me. So this is it. Make sure you click the link in the video description, and then the important links, guys. Telegram link. You can join us. Then keep playing, guys. Keep trading. So guys, happy week, guys. If possible, next tomorrow I will upload a new video for you guys. Enjoy, guys.